Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix any issues you may be having for trying to check for Windows 10 updates or install Windows 10 updates. To start off with, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and type in services. You now need to open up services. And once services is open, you need to scroll all the way down until you find Windows Update. You now need to right click on Windows Update and go to Properties, and you now need to change the startup type from manual to automatic and press apply and OK. Also, if the service status does say stopped, then you need to press start. You can now go ahead and try and check for new updates or try and restart your computer to install the updates. If you are still having problems checking for Windows updates or installing Windows updates, you now need to go back down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and type in trouble, and you need to open up troubleshoot. Once troubleshoot is open, you now need to find Windows Update, which is up the top here. If it isn't here, then you need to scroll down until you find it. Once you have clicked on Windows Update, you now need to click on Run the Troubleshooter, and it will now detect any problems you may be having. You should now have a window pop up saying apply a fix. As you can see here, it has detected I have pending updates, and I can click here to apply this fix, which is what I am going to do. And as you can see, it has now said it's all fixed, and I can go ahead and press close. If you are still having problems with Windows updates, then you now need to go back down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and you now need to open up Command Prompt by typing in CMD. You need to right click on Command Prompt and go Run as Administrator, and once Administrator is open, you now need to copy all the text that's in the description below, and you now need to go Control and V and press Enter. You now need to press Enter again. And once that is finished, we can now go ahead and restart our computer again, or check for Windows updates. And that is it for this video. I hope these 3 methods have helped. If they have, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.